Welcome viewers, welcome to Mojo for Industry, and today we are going live as of now, going live from the booth of HD Hyundai Construction Equipment India. They have a product launch there as of now. Neha, can you just show something? Tell us something about the new product which is launched. If you can have someone from Hyundai Construction Equipment India to talk about the particular product. So, viewer, stay tuned with us from the booth of Hyundai Construction Equipment India from the heart of XCon 2023 Expo. We'll be joined soon by Mr. Shravan Agnihotri, who is the head mining and international business for HD Hyundai Construction Equipment India.
And now we will be talking to a spokesperson from HD Hyundai. Till then, we can just showcase our viewers the products that are displayed over here.
Exactly. So can you show me the product that is launched very recently and show some glimpses of the stall as well?
Right. So this was a product that was launched 10 days back. And as you can see, it just says just arrived.
Oh.
So
viewers, this is the first look for you from the booth of HD Hyundai Construction Equipment India, a product that is launched 10 days back.
So viewers, as we discussed earlier, Mr. Shravan Agnihotri, he's joined us, and now we will be asking him about the launch over here and the machine that was launched 10 days back. So over to you, Mr. Agnihotri. Welcome to Mojo for Industry.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you, Neha, for putting it on the live chat. We are participating in XCon. Actually, we are the regular participant of XCon, and we are the member of ISEMA. You can see here ISEMA board here. We have launched our complete range of equipment from small excavators to the large excavators, and then we have also launched the wheel loaders. So we have segregated this stall into three segments. Like one is mining segment, so you can see that side. This is
whether we all do SD construction equipment.
This is a small mini excavators here. This side you have midi size kind of excavators here. So we have complete range of equipment from 3 ton to 38 ton launched here, plus two wheel loaders, 3 ton class wheel loader and 5 ton class wheel loaders. So this is a middle segment machine, 13 ton class machine, basically designed for quarry and general purpose work. Small segment machines comes with 0.5 cubic meter bucket, and this comes with the dozer blade. It's very unique design. This comes with the dozer blade. Then we have 130, we have RT85, we have 140. So these 85, 130 and 140 all for small and general purpose application and quarry application, for that kind of application.
Right. So can you showcase what are the new products that
we have launched wheel loaders.
Right.
Yeah. So you can. So this is mining segment. So this actually is a mining segment here. We have 360 here. This is 36 ton class machine. That is 38 ton class machine. Then we have these two wheel loaders. These two wheel loaders, we have launched 3 ton wheel loader and 5 ton wheel loader. So this whole will cater to the customers who are working in mining for the mining. Maybe stone quarry mining plus coal mining, iron ore mining. Then we also have these breakers. Breakers used for the breaking the stone.
Right.
That's how it is.
Right.
So this, I'm sure this range of equipment will certainly give the opportunity to customers to explore what is there inside, what technology we are using, what kind of component we are using, and they can and we have a different kind of offering for our customers, so that they can explore those offers from us. We have good commercial offers for the customers, low interest rates. So I request my customers to visit XCon and explore the various options available, various offers available with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
you.
Sir, I had one question. What if anybody misses to visit XCon or maybe your booth? Any message for those kind of viewers?
So we are running a good scheme for all the customers who are booking the machines in this month. Not only if they miss the XCon, XCon is a good opportunity. They can see, touch and feel, explore the technology, the different kind of product at one place. Even if they are missing, they can visit our dealership. They can get more information about the product. And if they are booking, they are buying the machine this month, there are different offers going on. So they can get the benefit of those offers. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So viewers, you have it over here. As Mr. Agnihotri said, please do not miss XCon and please do not miss to visit the HD Hyundai construction equipment booth.
So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Neha. Thank you so much, Mr. Shravan Agnihotri. So that was the highlight from the stall of HD Hyundai Construction Equipment India, straight away from the XCon 2023. Thank you so much, viewers, for joining us today.
For more updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.